Hello guys, today I am going to talk about 6 enemies that will try to steal your confidence. In battle, one of the best advantages you can have is to understand your enemy. Why? Because the more you know your enemies, the better you can avoid their traps and their attacks. Now here are 6 enemies that will try to steal your confidence. First, negative people who criticize you. Now you get to choose who your friends are. If your friends pull you down, then get a new friend. That's simple. Second, unconfessed sin. This will rob your confidence before God. Don't be like Adam and Eve who hid from God. Go to Him, confess it, and be forgiven. 1 John 1:9. Third, listening to your feelings rather than God's word. Why? Because feelings will betray you because they are subject to your circumstances. Fix your eyes on God's unchanging word. Number 4, looking at your past to determine your future. You may have past littered with failure, but doesn't mean you can't succeed. In Proverbs 24:16, a righteous man falls 7 times but keeps getting back up. Number 5, looking at the problem rather than God's promise for the solution. God's word has a promise for any problem you face. And lastly, comparing yourself to other people. Friends, you are great. So be you. Jeremiah 15:29-11. Don't let the enemy steal your confidence. You have every reason to become. You have every reason to secure. You're on God's team and you win. We win. That's all. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.